Have you noticed that when you drag and drop an image into Photoshop, it automatically resizes to fit the canvas? Don't worry, this is not a bug. It's a default Photoshop setting, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn it off step by step. First, open Photoshop and go to the top menu. Click on Edit, then select Preferences and choose General. On a Mac, this option will be under the Photoshop menu instead of Edit. Look for an option called Resize Image During Place. By default, this option is checked, which is why Photoshop automatically scales images when you drag and drop them. To stop this behavior, simply uncheck Resize Image During Place. Once it's unchecked, click OK to save the settings. Now let's test it. Drag and drop an image into your canvas again. You'll notice that the image keeps its original size instead of fitting automatically to the canvas. This is extremely useful when working with mockups, templates, or exact size designs. If you ever want the auto resize feature back, just enable the same option again in Preferences. This small setting can save a lot of time and give you full control over your design workflow. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.